Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire recessed range. It offers up to 60% energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with an efficacy of up to 100 lumen watts. This range comes in a square shape and is made of white steel with two light exits with upper cover. It offers light outputs of 3400 and 4000 lumen, and it's available in color temperatures of 3000 and 4000 Kelvin. The Ledinaire recessed panel comes with an integrated connector for quick and easy installation. Furthermore, the range includes various application accessories. These accessories allow installation on plaster or in surface-mounted or suspended applications. Thanks for watching.